Okay, good day. So in this video, you will learn how to determine the critical value or z-value given yung ating specific alpha values natin. Siyempre, gamit yung ating z-table na binigay ko sa inyo dun sa ating third quarter topic about normal distribution and sampling distribution of the sample means. At yung ating computed z-value or critical value, naroon yung ating critical region or rejection region of the null hypothesis. Okay? At yung mga alpha values natin, ito yung probability value that we're committing type 1 error. At yung 1 minus alpha natin, that is the probability value that we're doing the correct decision about the null hypothesis. Okay? So, in finding the critical values, gagamitin natin yung procedure table na binigay ko sa inyo doon sa introduction ko about lesson number 2. Okay? There are two steps para makuha yung critical value. First step ay i-draw yung figure at i-shade din yung appropriate area. And then for step number 2, depende yun kung left-tailed, two-tailed, at right-tailed test. Kapag left-tailed test, titingnan lang natin yung probability value or alpha value dun sa ating z-table. Pero pag right-tailed test, we have to determine 1 minus alpha. At yun ang titingnan natin na area dun sa ating z-table. And for two-tailed test, we're going to divide alpha into 2. Alpha over 2 to the left and alpha over 2 to the right. At yung alpha over 2 to the left, titingnan lang kaagad natin yung area nandun sa ating z-table. For alpha over 2 to the left, 1 minus alpha over 2 para makuha natin yung critical value doon. Okay? So, yun yung summary ng ating pinag-aralan, ng introduction ng aking topic in lesson number 2. Okay. Sabugutan natin yung number 1. A left-tailed test with alpha equal to 0.10. So, step 1 is draw the figure and shade the appropriate area. Okay, step 1. So, hindi ko na isusulat yun. Paki-check na lamang dun sa aking previous video. So, ito yung ating normal curve. Yung ating mean. Ang z dito ay 0. Okay? Tapos, left-tailed. So, ibig sabihin, yung alpha value nasa left side of the mean. Okay? Sabihin natin ito yon. So, ito yung area. Okay? Yan yung alpha value na 0.10. Ang kailangan natin, yung z value dito, o yun yung tinatawag nating critical value. Okay? Yan, kailangan natin. And then, by the way, ito nga pala yung 1 minus alpha, this area. Itong area na to, sa normal curve, ito yung 0.90. O ito yung 1 minus alpha. So, 1 minus 0.10 is 0.90. Okay? Now, the next step is, titingnan lang natin sa table yung ating area ng ating alpha. Okay. Since left-tailed test, kapag left-tailed test, tingnan na kagad, hanapin na lang yung pinakamalapit na probability value dun sa ating table, dun sa ating value ng alpha na 0.10. So, pag left-tailed test, tingnan lang natin yung 0.10. Yung 0.10, pinakamalapit sa 0.10 ay negative 1.28. Negative 1.28, ito yung z natin. Then, ang area niya, or probability value is 0.1003. Siya yung closest. Ano? Siya yung closest to alpha na 0.10. So, therefore, ang ating critical value is equal to negative 1.28. So, ilagay natin dito, z, the critical value is negative 1.28. So, yun ang sagot natin yun sa ating example number 1. Okay? So, since ito yung critical value, nandito yung kanyang rejection region. Nandito yung acceptance region. Okay? So, watch the next video para dun sa examples 2 and